Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Vinci. In this video I'm going to show you 4 Android apps that every tailor should have. These apps are going to increase your productivity, going to make your life easy. Okay, in my previous video I showed you 4 apps, about 4 or 5 apps that every tailor should have, but for iOS, that is for iPhone. So in this video I'm going to I'm doing the an Android version of that video. Okay, so stick with me. Okay, so let's just get into it. So the first app I'm going to show you is called Kippa. This first one here is called Kippa. So I'll just open it and show you how it is. Okay, my description, I'm going to show you in the description of this video, I'm going to leave the link of all these apps so that I can just get it by clicking on the app. Okay, so this app, the use of this app is you can use it to for bookkeeping, like you can see here. You can use it for bookkeeping, for inventories, for money, and then other things, right? So this app is actually like a bank app, just like you have Kuda, just like you have OPay. Okay, but then you also use it for other things. However, I'm going to show you just 2 functions on this app. I'm not going to touch the bank app side of this app. Okay, so the first thing I use this app for is it helps me to keep tabs of how money comes into my business and how money goes out. Okay, as you can see here, you see money out and money in. So when money goes out, when I use money for anything, I'll just come here and write what I use money for. And then when money, somebody sends me money for any work, I come here and I write down the money that comes in. Okay, another thing I do is called inventory, which is the second one. I just write down all the things I have in stock. So for example, I created this stock of a suit worth 90,000 naira, and then this is just a pseudo stock. All right, this is just a fake stock. So let's assume I have 10 of these suits, and as you can see here, it says 900,000 naira. That is 90,000 times 10. Okay, basically, if you want to add the new stock, you can just click here, which says add stock, and you put in all the values. All right, so just play around with the app, and I promise you guys, it is worth it. This app helps me a lot. Okay, so the next app I'm going to talk about is called outfit measurements. This app is so cool. Okay, it's so cool. And what you do with this app is, okay, let me just delete this here. What you do with this app is you write down your measurements right on your phone. When you go to measure a client, you can just input your measurement right on your phone. So this is when you open the app, this is how it is. So when you click this plus sign here, you get to put in the name of the customer. So let me say the customer's name is Samuel, for example. You put in the mobile number of the person. So let me put my mobile number. You put in the date of the person, the date the person is ordering. So let's say let me show you this. So let's say the date the person is ordering is 20th of the 5th month 2023, and then I put in the length of the person. Say the length is 30, the waist is 39, the chest is 43, the hip is 46, like that. When you are done, you put in the amount the person is paying, you put in the day the person is supposed to pick up his clothes, and then you click OK, and then you save. So when you save, you can see it here. Oh, I wrote Samuel instead of Samuel. My bad. So whenever you want to use the measurement, when you click the person's name, and the measurement will show up. And then when you want to call the person, maybe you are done with this work, you want to call him, you just click on the number, and then you can see. You just take it to your phone, and then you call the person. Okay, so that is that about this app. Okay, so the next app I would like to show you is called the Pinterest. I also did this app on the I also use this show this app on the iOS, that is the iPhone version of this video. Okay, so the beauty of this app is that this app works for everybody. Like, no matter, as long as you're creative, this app is for you. You don't have to be a tailor. As long as you're creative, this app is for you. Okay, so what I use this app as a fashion designer to do is, whenever a customer comes to me, as long as I have data, I don't have, when the customer says, okay, show me the styles you have, I don't have to start breaking my head thinking of which style to show him. There are so many pictures on my phone that are not tailoring related. I have to start searching for pictures. I don't have to go through all those stress. All I need to do is just come to Pinterest like this, click search, and maybe let's assume the person's fabric is royal blue. All I need to do is just type royal blue kaftan for men, and I search, and you see samples upon samples, guys. This app is so cool. When you open it, you see the sample. When you open one, you go down, you see more. When you open one, you go down, you see more. When you open one, you go down, you see more. Guys, this app is so cool. So let's assume the customer picks this one. All I need to do is just to click these three dots here, and then I can download it to my phone. This is so beautiful, guys. So let's assume I want to download this again. Click three dots and download. Another thing is I can just come here, copy the link, and maybe send it to my tailors or something. I don't know, but you get the point. So when I go to my gallery now, you see the pictures I just downloaded. Let me go to my gallery and see the pictures can you see? These are the pictures I just downloaded on my gallery, guys. This is beautiful, right? All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now, the next app I'm going to talk about is the CAPCUT and the INSHOT. These two apps are not necessarily for tailors. However, they will help you, especially if you're a content creator, even as a tailor. Okay, so the use of this CAPCUT is you use it to edit your videos. Use it to edit your videos. Use it to edit your videos. I might not go get into I might not give you an in-depth explanation on how to use this app, but however, you can use it to edit your videos. For example, you can see this video, I edited it using this CapCut. You can see, you can color grade, edit your videos, and then when you are done, you download it. Okay, so that is that about this app. And then the next app is InShot. You can also use InShot to edit your videos. However, I use this is the app I use actually to edit my YouTube videos. As you can see, these are all my YouTube videos that are edited. I deleted some of them, so I use this app mostly to edit my YouTube videos, one, and then also to edit my images. Okay, so let's say I want to edit let me see, let's say I want to edit this image. All I need to do is import the picture like I've done. Then you can come here and put filters. You can see, just put in your filters, and there you go. So you can just download it and you have a clean picture to post on your social media handles. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I said I'm going to leave the link of these apps, or I'm going to leave the names of the apps so that you can search on your Google Play Store and download them and start using them. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a great day.